These words were spoken to me once. Watch your motive.
Watch your
Keep
motive.
your motives pure. What's the purest motive?
No, I can't choose and moralize on what is the purest motive. But I can only say that if you watch your motives, you will, not you, we see that most of it is for ourselves. You watch what we are doing. You want to help somebody? Not you, I'm saying. We want to help somebody. We give charity. And when you give charity, what do you want? We want our name put in a plaque. Motive. Right? We go to a spiritual teacher. Sometimes I find people going to spiritual teachers not so much to understand what to do, but to show them what they know. What's your motive? Why are we doing this? So I'm not saying for you, I'm saying generally. So I can't tell you all the motives, but when I mean by before you perform an action, just for a minute watch your mind and say, why am I really doing this? And if you ask me, is there a purest motive? I think the purest motive would be to find the truth. And if you have found it, perhaps to teach others as much as you can. If somebody is ready to listen.